Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Start by holding the Volkswagen Tiguan key fob in one hand and locating the small rectangular release button on the back. Press the release button and slide out the metal emergency key fully. Set it aside. Place the fob on a soft cloth to prevent scratches. With a flat 1/8-inch screwdriver or plastic pry tool, insert at the seam where the emergency key came out and apply gentle pressure to separate the two halves. Take care to avoid bending internal components. Once the fob halves begin to separate, work the pry tool around the circumference to free any clip tabs. Do not force a single spot. After opening, locate the circular coin cell battery held in a metal spring clip. Note the battery orientation. The top face is typically the positive side and reads CR 2032-3V. Use small tweezers or a gentle tap to dislodge the old battery, being mindful of the clip and any plastic spacers. Keep parts organized for reassembly. Take a fresh CR 2032-3V battery and place it into the clip with the positive side up, matching the labeled orientation. Ensure the battery sits flat and that the clip makes firm contact with the cell. A loose battery will cause intermittent function. Carefully align the two plastic halves and press them together until each clip snaps into place. Then slide the metal emergency key back into its slot. Test the remote functions from 3 to 5 feet away. If buttons are
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.